Hello students, today we are discussing about the raft foundation, when to use the raft foundation and the type of the raft foundation and construction of the raft foundation. The raft foundation is the very commonly used type of the foundation system. Raft foundation are also known as the mat foundation, and definition of the raft foundation along with principle when to choose raft and the type of raft foundation material of the raft foundation and raft foundation steps are discussed below. So first of all, what is the raft foundation? A raft foundation is actually a thick concrete slab resting on a large area of the soil reinforced with steel, supporting columns or walls and transfer loads from the structure to the soil. Usually mat foundation is spread over the entire area of the structure is supported, and the raft foundation is generally used to support structure like residential or commercial building where the soil condition is very poor, and storage tank, silos, foundation for very heavy industrial equipment. So in that cases we use the raft foundation. So working principle of the raft foundation you see in this figure, that how the raft foundation is constructed. The working principle of the raft foundation: to get a better idea about when to use raft foundation, it is important to understand how the raft foundation works. Let's get a quick review of its working principle. The raft foundation transmit the total load from the building to the entire ground floor area, and stress distribution mechanism of the raft foundation is very simple. The total weight of the structure and the self weight of the mat is calculated, and it is divided by the total area of the foundation, and it is covering the calculate the stress on the soil. As in the case of the raft foundation, the contact area of the foundation with soil is much more than any other type of the foundation. So the load of the distributed over a large area, and thus the stress on the soil is lesser, and possibility of the shear failure of the soil is also reduced. So when we choose the raft foundation, so there are some condition for foundation design. One of the most important aspect to is choosing the right type of foundation. The raft type foundation is preferred when the soil has a low bearing capacity. Load of the structure has to be distributed over a very large area. Individual or any other foundation R would approximately cover 50% of the total ground area beneath the structure. The columns or walls are placed so closely that the individual footing would be overlap. Stress on the soil need to be reduced, and this is the possibility of differential settlement in case of individual footing is used. And when soil strata are unpredictable and contain pockets of compressible soil, basement is to be constructed, and any other type of foundation cannot be used advantageously. तो अगर इस तरह की कंडीशन होगी तभी हम वहाँ पे कौन सी फाउंडेशन यूज़ करेंगे? राफ्ट फाउंडेशन को. और कौन कौन सी टाइप ऑफ राफ्ट फाउंडेशन होती है? तो देयर आर सम टाइप of route foundation. Several type of route foundation may be used depending on the condition of the soil and the loads imposed to the foundation. The following are the different type of route foundation used in the construction. The one is the flat plate mat foundation. Second, plate thickened under the column. Third is a two-way beam and slab raft. Fourth is a plate raft with pedestal. Fifth is piled raft. And sixth is rigid frame mat or cellular raft foundation. These are the common type of the raft foundation we generally use in the field.